How long has it been since I saw someone? I don't know. I screamed a lot at first, begging for someone, anyone to let me out. Please, give me some water. I'm so hungry. I'll eat anything, even scraps. Please, someone, anyone. I never got an answer. I think they forgot they put me here. There aren't any guards, no windows, no lights. How long has it been? I guess I'll die here, alone. Sometimes I get flashes of something before. A village at the base of the mountain. Fire. Smoke so thick I choked and it burned. Everyone was so loud, and there was this horrible smell. I don't know why they brought me here. If I was going to die like this, then it would have been better to die with everyone else. I just don't want to go alone. Anyone, please. But I don't have the strength to call out. My lips are cracked, but they aren't even bleeding. I don't think I have enough in me to bleed. I'm so lonely. It hurts too much to need things. Maybe I can just be empty. Then I won't have regrets when I die. I heard if you die full of regrets, you become a hungry ghost. I don't want that. And you suffer forever, right? It's better if I can just not feel anything. Don't give up. What? I try to open my swollen eyes, but I don't see anyone there. Just me, alone in this empty cell. Please don't die. We can't bear to be without you. You need me? I can't see you. We are with you always. Please, we'll do anything if you would just live. Then, can you get me out of this place? We can. If you give us your essence, we will break everything that holds you. How do I do that? It's easy. All you need to do is breathe. I don't understand. I should still be breathing, right? You just need to take your second breath. Help us remember how to live. Then we will grow big and strong all the way up to the sky. The sky, I want to see it. It's too much. I can't keep my eyes open any longer. My body is too weak. They said all I needed to do was breathe, but everything hurts. I feel my lungs grow weaker and weaker. I can't breathe. My lungs burn. It hurts. It hurts. My head, it feels like I'm floating away. I'm starting to fade. But if I die, then what will become of them? They saved me from being alone. I don't want them to feel how I felt. But my lungs are frozen. What can I do? I don't have any strength. My body is going numb. If I don't get air, I really will die here. Don't die. Please don't die. Oh no. We love you so much. We'll do anything. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. Please. Oh, please. No, you can't die. You can't. The sobbing intensifies. It fills my head to the point of bursting. It hurts worse than my lungs. It hurts worse than anything. Their pain floods my senses, and I melt into the walls. It's like my soul has flooded out of my body and into the wood, suddenly going faster and faster. I flow through every path and into the large, heavy grate that kept me captive. I feel every bit of it screaming as long dead wood creaks and groans. I push and push, opening and flowing. I see my body laying cold in that cell and run far, far away, through the veins of this house, up through the floors. I hear shouting, people panicking, shattering of glass. I don't have time to stop and watch. I keep rushing upwards, further upwards. I know that if I keep going, then... And it happens. Suddenly, I break through and see the sky. The sun shines down upon me, and I'm not dying anymore. The light streams into my body and fills me with energy. Somewhere I broke a pipe, and the water is pouring over my toes, and I drink more deeply than I have ever drank before. Thousands of feet soaked in water, thousands of mouths opened up towards the heavens, and I am filled with an indescribable feeling of joy. And then, back in the corpse, I take a deep, full breath for the first time in my life.